Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your Windows edition and whether the OS is 64-bit. This ensures you get the correct upgrade path. Once done, free up roughly 10% of disk space and plug the device into power so the upgrade won't fail. Next, download and run the Windows Update Assistant as administrator. Doing so lets it check compatibility and prepare temporary files. Make sure Windows Defender or other security prompts allow the tool to run so it can assess your system immediately. You will see the assistant perform compatibility checks. Pay attention to any flagged apps or drivers because those cause most failures. Once it identifies issues, update or uninstall the conflicting software so the process continues. Allow the tool to download required packages. These can be several gigabytes and take time on slow connections. When prompted, accept the default automatic restart or choose a custom schedule. This control prevents unexpected downtime. Make sure your active files are saved before the final reboot. You complete the upgrade by letting the system reboot and finish installation. Monitor the phases on screen because finalizing can take 20 to 60 minutes depending on hardware. Once done, sign in and verify settings, apps, and drivers. If the upgrade hangs or fails, boot into safe mode to roll back or run system restore. These steps recover you without reinstalling. Finally, make sure to check Device Manager for driver updates and use Windows Update again to fetch any remaining patches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.